Hello everyone, this is Dr. Eric Chow. Today I would like to talk about how to pick a CS school, the UC series. And today I'm going to talk about Berkeley. And then Berkeley is a very unique school. The CS, the EECS department is very special. And then we'll talk about the different factors that make you make a decision to join them or not to join them. So first, we would like to talk about the ranking as well, and then their location, their main focus of the program, and then their curriculum, and then the outcome of the program. So Bay Area is has the gold rush since the 1880s. Bay Area attract a lot of people from all over the world for the gold rush. In the early 19th century, they start to have this gold rush. And then nowadays, people still come to Bay Area to have the high-tech job. So the mentality of the engineer is similar to this group of people, the 49ers. Everyone come to here to dig for the gold, except that the gold of the different era is different, okay? But anyway, a lot of people still keep coming to the Bay Area to seek for a successful and wonderful career. San Francisco has transformed from a gold town to a financial center to a high-tech hub. And then nowadays is the AI investment hub. A lot of high AI startup in San Francisco. It actually, in fact, is the largest city for AI startups. So Bay Area, this one, I think I don't need to say too much. Bay Area has all kind of company for high tech. And Berkeley is not only good for the technology. Berkeley also is a small town, and it offers very good coffee shop, good bakery, good restaurants. So the lifestyle is very easy West Coast lifestyle. And there are all kind of food, Peking duck, okay, and then also Thai food, Korean food, Japanese food, and steakhouse, okay, all kind of the food from all over the world. Berkeley is a very good place. And in fact, Berkeley is a downtown college. So it actually attracts a lot of students coming here. And then it's actually a very good town to visit. And then some people say that Berkeley is unsafe. I would say downtown university usually have the safety concern, but Berkeley is not the worst. I would say a lot of university in the United States all have the safety problem. So some people complain about Berkeley picking up the safety as an issue, but I don't think that the Berkeley student would think safety is an issue here. For Berkeley's program, I would like to introduce this one called MET program, the Management, Entrepreneurship, and Technology program. This program actually emphasized Berkeley's main focus on the technology and also mixed with management and entrepreneurship. And this program gives the top-notch student the best opportunity to become a CEO or a CTO for the future leader of the technology. So I would like to talk about Berkeley's program starting from this program because it provides you the internship, okay, and also it provides you 2 years of the housing on campus, and also the priority to pick course and some advisor for the research as well. So it's actually a very good program allowing students to have the wonderful opportunity to become a technology course leader in a public school, but with the private school atmosphere. Okay, so it's actually a very good program. And Berkeley has other program and other degree majors, and you can all actually build up your own career by picking the right major for yourself. So Bloomberg also talk about this MET program. And Berkeley, CMU, Stanford, and MIT, we call it the top 4 or big 4 for the computer science program. And in fact, MIT, Stanford, and Berkeley are also the top 3 for engineering programs or EE as well. And Berkeley's business school is among the top 3 for the undergraduate business program. Number 1 being Pennsylvania, and then number 2 MIT Sloan, and number 2 tied for number 2 is UC Berkeley's Haas program. And MIT Sloan and Berkeley Haas both has very good quant program, okay, quantitative finance program, and they are the leader in this field. And Berkeley Engineering School ranked top 3, but as you can see, there are many fields actually is in the top 1, top 2, okay? And actually top 3 being the MIT, Berkeley, and also Stanford. So they are not far away from each other. And Berkeley also had a number 1 Master of Financial Engineering program, number 1 for undergraduate data science, and number 2 number 2 for computer science, and number 2 for material science and engineering. So basically, major is not a problem at Berkeley. Berkeley's startup ranking is number 1, passed over Stanford this year, and it actually has the most founders. Okay, has the most founder company founded by Berkeley alumni. And Berkeley's data science program became the largest. So over the years, Berkeley's computer science shrinking since 2021. It grew up from 2012 and then shrinking down to 100 people. At the peak is somewhere around 1,000 people. This is the CS program, but their data science program grew up. Okay, so basically it's kind of a paradigm shift for people who major in computer science and data science. And Berkeley's EE program, EECS program, remain steady around 400 students. So to pick which major actually usually is an issue in Berkeley, but in fact, Berkeley, because it actually is a top school, so if you are not the top 100 students nationwide in computer science, don't try the computer science major, okay? Because your chance to get in is very low. So if you at least is top 200 CS student, you think that you are not good, then you can apply for it, okay? Even EECS program is similar. If you are not top 500, please do not apply for EECS program. Your chance to get in is very low. And what major should you pick for? There are tons of alternative major that you can go for. Math, applied math, statistics, okay, data science, okay, a lot of different major right here. IEOR, physics, ORMS, okay, it's also named as business analytics now. Cognitive science, has business program, particle economics, economic and linguistic. Okay, Berkeley is a major. Berkeley major, which one program you should get in, basic depending on which one you are able to be accepted, okay? Because they are all top programs. So the chance for you to get in is very low. You have to fight to get in. So we don't suggest you because you like this which program and then you apply for that major. Your chance to get in is low. So the best way to apply for Berkeley is to get in the program that you think that you are able to get in. Then you choose for go for the opportunity to go for double major or one major or minor. For the major of the CS of data science, those actually call high demand major. if you try to apply and then trying to do a double major, the chance is low. So maybe you can choose for one major, one minor to get it, okay? And then why Berkeley do not have the software engineering, game design, informatics, and business information system, supply chain is a different major and undergraduate program. That's because Berkeley's people, usually when they graduate, they will go for research and development positions. So this different major usually go to the UX design, user experience design, user interface design, FAE, field application engineer, or QA position, or integrator. So Berkeley students usually do not go for those kind of jobs, so they don't offer this kind of the majors. And why Berkeley don't have a computer science and engineering and computer engineering and electrical engineering? These three major actually in Berkeley is part of the EECS program. If you choose EECS, you can go for any of these major and also go for CS as well. So Berkeley is a big all-you-can-eat buffet, and you pick whatever you want to eat. Okay. So it is not which major you pick, it is what you want to learn in Berkeley. So when you apply for college, don't think about what major you want to major in. Instead, you should think about what you want to learn at Berkeley and which program I can get accepted. And then after you get accepted, then you actually try to build up your own curriculum for different major minor programs. Okay, so never ask what major you should have in Berkeley, but ask yourself what you want to learn at Berkeley. And Berkeley has a culture of work hard and play hard. So people say that the 80 plus hour for computer science student, that's actually a typical number. Some students go for 100 plus hours. That's very typical. So work hard, play hard. And Berkeley's EECS or CS have minimum core curricular requirement. And then they have a lot of elective, that's all you can eat. So in the Berkeley, they have 23 plus track in EECS, EE, and the CS. But which track you will pick, or you pick double track or three track or one major, one minor, or 2 degree, you are very flexible to choose them. Okay. Even though the high demand major you cannot get in, but you can get into their minors. So basically, again, you should think about what you want to learn at Berkeley, not what curriculum they can provide. Usually they offer all kinds of courses, just whether you pick it or not. So easy to get minors, get double majors in the same school. And then dual degree will be more difficult because dual degree, you need to finish 2 or more general education requirements. Each school has different general education requirements. So when you go for dual degree, 2 degrees, then you need to pick up 2 sets of the general education. But if you pick the major, 2 major in the same school, then 1 set of the general education is enough. So Berkeley also have the reputation of being a very big class. This is the class of the CS 61A. And it's already over 2,000 because, okay, if you look at the CS major student, they only have 100 right now, okay? And they used to have 500 for EECS plus another 800 for CS. Still less than the student they have. Because at Berkeley, almost everyone, no matter what major, will pick this CS61 course. Every single one in Berkeley pick that one. And they use a very big auditorium to teach the course. But actually, there are still a lot of students don't show up for classes. So they watch video. So is Berkeley a big problem that you have such a big class? Actually, for computer science student, I don't think it's a problem. Usually computer science students just stay at the dorm watching the video and then work on the project. And the project is so harsh. So you even don't have time to come to class. The class is too easy, okay? Berkeley student will tell you their CS course is easy, but when they actually take the exam, it's 10x harder. And also, they don't teach it from scratch. They jump to Python 3, 4, not Python 1 in CS 61A. So you need to get yourself prepared, well prepared in high school. Even you have a user code. You have USA PHO, that's actually very typical student has. You are not special. There are a lot of students that actually outsmart you. So you got to get prepared and then go for a major that you can actually afford. And the good part for Berkeley is they do have over 300 different clubs. And then many of them will lead to very good job, especially the code-based, blockchain, machine learning, these different clubs. They also have a very good sports program. And they are also very good career days. So there are complaints that Berkeley, you don't get research professor, you don't get research opportunity, you don't get club. That's not really true. Berkeley offers quite a lot of opportunity for research. But because it is competition-based, so a lot of students don't get a chance to have the club membership or don't get a chance to have the research because they are outbid by other students. And a lot of club like Codebase, you may go for the interview for 5 times before you can get to the club. So students go to Berkeley must have very tough personality. It's willing to actually try several times. If you got scared for the first time, then you actually will shy away and you are not able to actually become successful at Berkeley. So do you like to go to Berkeley or not? Actually, your personality and whether you like to be put into a very competitive environment, that's very important, okay? You have to think about it. If you are not those kind of a competitive student, I believe that you should go for some private university, okay? Berkeley is not for you. And as I said, CS61A, they have over 2,000 students, yet they are still picked by the Bloomberg's business as the top 5 CS classes. So their course is very good, very good. It's actually the best of the nation. But their people is 2,000. Why such a big class still be the best course? That's because students don't come to the class. They watch the video, and then their TA, RA are very helpful. The grader, TA are very helpful. If you are willing to ask questions, there are tons of your fellow students and friends will help you. Okay, so basically in Berkeley, don't keep silent. Don't actually just be isolated from other students. You have to build up your network early when you go to the school. Okay, and then there are tons of opportunity you can explore. Don't be actually be fooled by those comments by a lot of people. Okay, what they say may not be true. Okay, you can get 2 degree, multiple degree from the MET program. And then the outcome of their student, they have very good first destination survey. And I think a lot of students get to very good company, high-tech company in the Bay Area. So this one, I don't think that I need to waste my time to cover it. Okay. So overall, whether you are a good fit for Berkeley or not, depending on your personality. A major is not an issue, okay? Large class, small class is also not an issue. You should pick the kind of the career and your curriculum that best support you and prepare you for the job. And Berkeley provide you the best opportunity of the nation. Thank you. Bye now.